Are you frustrated at your own leaders, at your own party members?
I'm frustrated at various levels. हम लोग तो सिर्फ कठपुतली है जो actually गेम खेल रहा है रस्सी सूता से. He is sitting somewhere else.
But we all know what happened to the Assam Accord.
I'm not looking at Assam to draw my inspiration. I draw my inspiration from my own internal inherent strength. The people, when you say we are alliance partner, we are alliance on the implementation of the TIPRASA Accord. If the TIPRASA Accord is not implemented, then there is no alliance. There are many problems in our TIPRASA society. There are many leaders who are corrupt. There are many leaders who are selfish. There are many leaders who do not have the heart of Maharaja. But still, my fight is not for these leaders. My fight is for our people. If today BJP is not in center, if Congress is in center, I will be in alliance with Congress also to implement TIPRASA Accord. मुझे आपका fight नहीं करना है, मुझे अपने लोगों का fight करना है. And I will do what is required for my people.